Reading Pioneers is proud to present Archie the Brave, written by Laurel Lewis, illustrated by Nugraha. Archie was a little boy who was scared of almost everything. He tried to be brave, like his parents told him to, but he found it very hard. One day, while Archie was on his way to school, he heard a strange noise. He turned around to look and saw a big dog. Archie was scared, so he ran all the way to school. He arrived at school, huffing and puffing after all that running. "What's the matter?" his best friend Jackson asked him. "A big dog," Archie stammered. Unfortunately, some of his classmates heard what Archie said, and they sniggered at him. "He is such a coward," one little girl said. "Scaredy Pants, Archie!" they exclaimed together. Archie felt sad. It hurt his feelings when the other children made fun of him. Ha 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 ha! The next morning, Archie saw the big, mean dog again. Archie was terrified, so he ran. He didn't get very far when he saw three little puppies. Of course! The dog must have been their mother who was protecting them. Archie knew never to pat a dog unless his parents told him he could. Archie backed away slowly from the dogs. Meanwhile, the mother dog began to lick her puppies' faces. Archie was pleased. The big, mean dog was now a happy, smiling dog. "I have to get to school now," Archie told her. But every time Archie took a step, the mother dog took a step too, followed by soft little paws. Archie told the dogs to stay behind, but of course, they didn't understand. Archie was worried that his teachers would be cranky with him for bringing the dogs to school. All the children laughed when he arrived at school. "Here comes Scaredy Pants Archie!" Then they gasped, "With a bunch of dogs!" Archie walked past the children who had laughed at him, his head held high with pride. "Can we pat your puppies?" a little girl asked. "We'd like to pat your puppies, too. They are kind of cute," the other children said in agreement. "Sure," Archie smiled. "They aren't so scary once you get to know them." The children lovingly picked up the puppies. The puppies licked the children's faces and kissed their noses. "We're sorry, Archie," the children apologized. "What is going on here?" a teacher asked sternly. She looked furious. The puppies ran off across the playground. They went down the slide. They swung on the swings. They climbed on the monkey bars. They even went into the staff room and ate the teachers' lunches. The dogs were having so much fun, and all the children were laughing. The teachers were screaming and pulling out their hair. and Archie was holding his tummy. The puppies were so soft and cuddly that after some time, even the teachers started to pat them. One of the puppies licked Mr. Jonas on the cheek, who then smiled happily. Archie breathed a sigh of relief. For the rest of the day, the puppies helped out in the classrooms, helping with math, helping with art, and helping with cuddles. It was the most exciting day ever. All the children cried out, "Three cheers for Archie, who brought cuddly puppies to school! Archie the Brave!" they exclaimed. Archie was relieved that the day had turned out all right after all. Suddenly he found four friendly puppy dogs staring at him with their big, soft eyes. He knew they were saying, "Thank you, Archie, for a fun day too." Archie is no longer scared of anything. Well, almost. And now everyone calls him Archie the Brave. The end. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Archie the Brave by Laurel Lewis. I love dogs and was so happy reading this story about them. Archie was very brave and smart in this book, something that I really admired about the character. He became brave without getting into danger, and the happy ending was great for everyone, including the pups. To help support Laurel, you can purchase your copy of this book from her Amazon page, as well as visiting her Instagram page at LaurelLewis84. Additionally, if you click the card above, you can read along with us to her other book called Jasper and the Elemental P. Links for these books and her social are provided in the description box down below. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you liked the video and subscribe to stay updated with future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for today. While waiting for the next upload, you can click the playlist on the left of other books by authors like Laurel Lewis, and on the right is her other book, Jasper and the Elemental P. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.